What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be putting on some new trucks, some Ventures, and some new wheels, some Spitfires. The wheels are 56mm wheels. And some Venture trucks, and they say size 525. I guess that's the size of them. Don't really know my size of trucks. One reason is because these wheels got some major flat spots in them, and I didn't want to battle just getting new wheels and trying to put these new old nuts back on. So I just went and bought some new trucks. So let's get started. This is going to take forever. Super uneven. You can kind of see the flat spots. Pretty bad. I don't think I would have ever gotten these back on. New trucks. time for the wheels. Some Spitfires. I really like Spitfire wheels. And I really like Venture trucks. The only trucks I've ever skated, too. Brush wheels. Making sure the bearings are out there right. It's easier with the socket, not this thing. Half inch socket works the best. So pretty good size wheels for 56. These are skate 52 millimeters. Maybe these will last longer. There you go. So, that's my new trucks, Ventures, and my new Spitfire 56 millimeters. The truck size is 5.25s. Don't really know my truck sizes, but yeah, leave in the comments what kind of boards y'all like, and trucks y'all like to ride, and wheels. Boards recently have been Revive boards. Trucks, I've always skated Ventures, only thing I've ever skated, and Spitfires, usually 52 millimeters, and red bearings, or Bone Swifts, but lately I've been skating reds a lot, so leave in the comments below which ones y'all like to skate. See you on the next one.